Students, good evening to one and all. So, myself Chani Chibnani, and I am here to teach you and one interesting topic in mathematics. Before that, my one video was out on fractions, types of fractions, and few examples related with it. So today we will be covering about fraction operations on fractions. Sorry. Okay, so let's start. So there are various types of or various operations on fractions, you can say, and we will study it one by one. Okay, first is division, then addition, then subtraction, then multiplication. So these are nothing but various operations on fraction. Okay, so let's study further about addition of fraction, how we will add the fraction. Okay, next, adding fraction. First we will add the fractions with like denominators. Okay, so if suppose the denominator are same, suppose we have taken that as 7, 1 upon 7 plus 3 by 7. If we want to add both of these, so what we will get, we will be getting it as 4 by 7. Okay, we have to add only the numerator part, but denominator remain unchanged. Okay, so 1 plus 3 upon 7, okay, which is equals to 4 upon 7. Next column you can see adding fractions with like denominator. So here denominator are not like, which means they are unlike to each other. Okay, 1 by 8 plus 2 by 3, we have to add these fractions and we will get the desired or required answer. Okay, so 1 by 8 plus 2 by 3, we have to first make the denominator common. Okay, so we will multiply 8 into 3 both sides. Okay, so what we will get, in numerator 3 and in denominator 24, and for second fraction we will get the numerator as 16 and denominator as 24. So see, in this you will get the like denominator. If there will be like denominator, then you will easily add fraction. Okay, then you will get 19 by 24. 3 plus 16 is nothing but 19 upon 24. Let's move further. You have to solve the example, another example of adding fractions. First, step 1, find the LCM or LCD of 3 and 6. Here example is nothing but 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. You have to add these two fractions. Okay, so now let's solve it together. Okay, first step is nothing but we have to find the LCM or LCD of 3 and 6. Okay, so what will be the multiples of 3? So here are the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay, and so on. So these are nothing but multiples of 3. Next we will see multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. These will be multiples of 6. Okay, therefore LCD will be 6. Okay, next write both fraction as equivalent fraction with a common denominator of 6. So we have to write the common denominator. We have to write the fraction, both fraction as equivalent fraction to each other with a common denominator of 6. Okay, so 1 by 3 we have to multiply numerator and denominator with 2. So we will get the denominator as 6. Okay, 2 by 6 we will get the fraction. Next, 1 by 6 is another fraction. We have to add these two fractions. What we will do, add the two equivalent fraction, that is 2 plus 1 whole by 6. These are like denominators, 6, 6. Okay, next what we will do, we will add the only numerator part, 2 plus 1 whole by 6. What we will get, 3 by 6, which is nothing but 1 by 2. Let's move further. So these are nothing but examples of addition of fraction. Suppose if you get the image of some fraction, okay, 1 by 2. So this is nothing but first image is nothing but of a clock, is showing half part is shaded portion and half is unshaded portion. Next figure is also of clock, 1 by 4th part is shaded and remaining 3 by 4th part is unshaded portion. Okay, so we will have to add these 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. What we will get? We will be getting as 3 by 4. So this will be the easiest part of the fraction in image form or in picture form. Okay, next operation of fraction we will be having is as subtraction of fraction. Okay, so let's solve this further. So what is subtraction of fraction? Suppose if we have same denominator, so we will be subtracting only numerator part. Okay, next example is given as 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6, which is equals to 5 minus 2. Only numerator part will be 5 minus 2 and denominator will be same or will remain unchanged. Okay, which will be equals to 3 by 6. So simplify it further, divide both by 3. Divide both means divide numerator part by 3 and divide denominator part by 3. Okay, and you will be getting answer as 1 by 2. Okay, next column, look at the next column, different denominator. If you have different denominator, okay, so you have the another example as 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. Okay, so 5 into 2 upon 6 into 2, you have to multiply and divide by 2 for this fraction. So you will be getting the denominator as 12. Okay, then you will be getting the like denominator or same denominator. Then you have to only subtract the numerator part. Okay, that means 5 into 2 is nothing but 10 and denominator is nothing but 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12. Okay, and you have to subtract this fraction with 7 by 12. Okay, so subtract only the numerator part, 10 minus 7 whole upon 12, which is equals to 3 upon 12. Okay, so simplify it further, multiply and divide numerator by 3 and denominator by 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is nothing but 1 and 12 divided by 3 is nothing but equals to 4. Okay, likewise you can solve as many problems as you want. Next example we will see about subtraction of fraction. 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3, we have to solve it. Okay, so let's solve it together. Next, step 1, what we have to do, that we have to find the LCM of both the denominators. Multiples of 5 is nothing but 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. You are knowing the multiples of 5. Okay, next multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. These are nothing but multiples of 3. So therefore LCD will be 15. Okay, next we have to equate the same denominator and simplify it further. Okay, therefore 4 multiplied by 3 and first fraction we will be multiplied with 3. Okay, by numerator or with denominator. We will be multiplying the numerator by 3, also by denominator by 3. And in second fraction we will be multiplying with the numerator by 5 and denominator by 5. Okay, what we will be getting the required fraction, 12 upon 15 minus 10 upon 15. In this you will be getting the same denominator or like denominator, and in that you will easily subtract the numerator part. Okay, because denominator part is nothing but the same or like denominator we are getting. Therefore what we will get in the another step, that 12 minus 10 upon 15 is nothing but 2 upon 15. Okay, This is the answer. Next operation on fraction are nothing but multiplication of fraction and division of fraction. How we will be doing, we will be learning in this next slide. Okay. Next, in the first column you will be learning about multiplication of fraction. Okay, so first what is given, first example is given that 3 upon 4 into 4 upon 5 equals to, you have to multiply this fraction. Okay, 3 into 4, multiply numerator of both the fraction and denominator of both the fraction. 3 into 4 is nothing but 12 and 4 into 5 is nothing but 20. Okay, 12 upon 20 is your required fraction. If suppose they are reduced, so you have to reduce the fraction in the required fraction in the smallest digit or smallest number. So 4 3 ja 12 and 4 5 ja 20. Okay, therefore we will be getting 3 by 5 as the required fraction. Remember, you have to reduce it to the smallest number as possible. Next column, look at the next column. Here we will be doing division of fractions. Okay, 4 upon 5 divided by 5 upon 6. Okay, first step what we will be do, that invert the divisor. You have to invert the divisor. 4 upon 5 multiply, put the sign as multiply because we are invert this part. Okay, therefore 4 upon 5 multiply with 6 upon 5. So this second fraction we will be inverting it as like this. Okay, therefore you have to multiply the numerator. 4 and into 4 multiply by 6, we will be getting 24, and denominator, multiply denominator also. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. You will be getting 24 upon 25 as the required fraction. There is no need to reduce it because 24 and 25 are nothing but co-prime. Maybe you have to check it and let me know in the comment section, 24 25 are co-prime or not. Okay, so you will be, now you have to solve this example. Okay, 1 upon 3 plus 1 by 14. Next 6 upon 8 divide by 2 by 12. Next example is nothing but 3 upon 9 multiply by 1 by 4. Next example is 1 by 14 minus 1 by 18. You have to simplify this and let me know the answer, correct answer in the comment box. Okay students? Okay, so what we have learned today? We have learned about operations of fraction, about addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, and multiplication of fraction and division of fraction, and we have seen few examples related with all these operations of fraction. Okay, so now I am giving you one home assignment. You have to complete it and let me know the answer in the comment section. Okay, this is your home assignment. Okay, quickly note it down and let me know the answer in the comment section. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Okay students, thank you for watching.